The detached chevron stitch could be a math lover's favorite stitch. It is best worked within a square. Come out from one corner and go in the middle of the line on the opposite side. Come out from the corner of the same side and go across to the other corner on the same line. Come back again through the middle and finish the stitch by creating the diagonal stitch. Let's do that again. Always move the working thread to the top to avoid looping. This is a fun stitch to do for texturing an area and creating speckled fillings. I hope you liked this video. Share it if you have learned something new and drop a comment. This is Sarah from Sarah's Hand Embroidery. Thank you so much for watching.